Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. So, are you ready to learn 10 English idioms that you must know in order to sound like native speakers? So, without any further ado, let's dive in. The first idiom here is let one's hair down. The idiom let one's hair down means to feel relaxed and comfortable enough to act and do what you want. You allow yourself to behave much more freely than usual and enjoy yourself. Let's see the first example. I can never manage to let my hair down at office events. Second example. It is Saturday night, so let your hair down with your friends. The third example, we need a place where we can let our hair down and enjoy ourselves. You got it? It means relaxed and comfortable. Let's move on to the next idiom. Butterfly in one's stomach. The phrase butterflies in one's stomach means a slight moving sensation within one's stomach when one is feeling anxious. If you have butterflies in your stomach, you are very nervous or excited about something that you have to do, especially something important. Let's see the first example here. I used to get butterflies in my stomach before school test. Second example, she's still struggling with butterflies in her stomach when talking to lots of people. You got it? Okay, now we move to next idiom. Pick someone's brain. It means to ask someone who knows a lot about a subject for information or their opinion. If you pick someone's brain, you ask them to help you with a problem because they know more about the subject than you. Let's see the first example. I'd like to pick your brain about buying a house because I know you used to be a real estate agent. The second example. Can I pick your brain about which laptop to buy? You got it? You ask a lot of questions to the person that know more better than you. Let's move to the next idiom. Break a leg. Whoever tells you to break a leg doesn't actually want you to really break your leg into pieces. No. This expression used mostly in the world of theater to mean good luck. Actors and musicians are never wished good luck before they walk on the stage. They usually say, break a leg. Over the years, these expressions started being used to wish someone good luck in the daily situation. Let's see the first example. You have a performance tomorrow. Break a leg. The second example. I hope you break a leg at your job interview today. Okay? Let's move to the next idiom. Pull someone's leg. Pull someone's leg means that you play a joke on them by saying something that isn't true or you are joking around with them. Let's say you play a prank on someone and they react way too seriously. You can say, dude, relax, I'm just pulling your leg. Let's see the first example. I panicked when he said the test was tomorrow, but then I realized he was just pulling my leg. Second example. Is it really your car or you pulling my leg? Makes sense, right? Okay, let's move to the next idiom. dip your toe in the water. It means that you try something carefully with no expectation before make a big commitment. You start slowly doing something that you haven't done before because you are not really sure if you will like it or if it will be successful. For example, your friend is trying to convince you to join the class online, but you don't think it is a good fit for you. Instead of hurting their feelings, you can say, I'm not sure I want to join, but I'd like to dip a toe in the water. You try something new carefully with no expectation. Let's see the second example. Before starting her own bakery business, she dipped her toe in the water by selling bread at the market. You got it? Okay, let's move to the next idiom. Lose your head. It doesn't mean you really lost your head. No, this phrase means the tendency to become overly emotional or confused about something. If you lose your head, you become very angry or upset and unable to think clearly. Let's see the first example. She usually stays quiet, calm in meetings, but this time she just lost her head. The second example. After he ignored me, I lost my head and started yelling at him. You got it? Okay, let's move to the next idiom. Easy on the eyes. Easy on the eyes describes something that is attractive and aesthetically pleasing. Let's see the first example. Pastel colors are easy on the eyes and make your outfit beautiful. You can also use this phrase to describe a good-looking, beautiful, or handsome person. The actor is definitely easy on the eyes. He is very handsome. You got it? Let's move to the next idiom. To get off on the wrong foot. If someone gets off on the wrong foot, it means that they make a bad start by doing something in completely the wrong way. Let's see the first example. He got off on the wrong foot with my parents by arriving late. The second example, their relationship started off on the wrong foot when they had a huge misunderstanding. The third example, Helen got off on the wrong foot in her performance when she forgot the lyric of the song. It is such a bad start. You got it? Okay, let's move to the next idiom, or last idiom for today's lesson. To give someone the cold shoulder. It means to intentionally ignore someone or treat someone in an unfriendly way. There are a wide variety of reasons that this might happen, but usually this phrase is associated with an incident in which one person is mad at another or has lost respect for them. Let's see the first example. He gave me the cold shoulder at the party. He didn't talk to me at all. The second example. Did you see he gives me a cold shoulder? I have no idea what I did. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. I really hope you enjoyed and understand this lesson perfectly. If you master this and you start practicing them, you will start sounding like a native speaker. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.